Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl so David's here. So guys, I will show you guys how to tie round and pleats, guys. So guys, the measurement is 20/70 for this particular style of GELE. So guys, you can make your pleats on the head of your client or your muse. Just make pleats of 6. Yes, not on top of each other, but just closely on each other. Like, you can check my other GELE video where I tied center knots. You can see the way I tied it or the way I made my pleats also, if you want to learn how to make your pleats. While you make your pleats, while you are at the edge of your client's heads, you can ask them to hold it at the side so that you can make your pleats perfectly at the other side. Always remember that the shorter one should be on top of the longer hand of the GELE. Do not put the longer one on top of the shorter one. Ask your client to please or kindly hold the shorter one for you while you make your pleats or while you make your twist on it. All you have to do is just twist and you are done, guys. Like, twist and you are just done. It's a very easy style to tie for anyone. Then always remember that the longer hand goes inside, then you drag it out, then you can arrange the center of the GELE. Just tie it. You can use your pins if you do need them to put them in place so that it won't like scatter or move. So after tying, always remember to arrange the front of your GELE, arrange your pleats, because arrangement of your GELE is everything, guys. It makes it beautiful. Then you push backwards, then you are done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Bye.